Hey there guys, I am back again and today we're gonna unbox the long-awaited Styletone box. Now most of you guys have probably already seen unboxings of this box, but like I explained in my last video, I wasn't home and therefore I could not unbox this box. So how many times can I say box? But this box, this box was sent to me almost a month ago. So it's long overdue. Okay, I'm gonna rip this sucker apart and we're gonna take a look inside. Hey you guys, so this is the booklet and this is, this is the inside of this month's box. Okay, so let's just grab the biggest thing in here, which is something from Beauty UK. This is a color correcting palette, and this is basically a concealer that you have actually I said it right. You have three actual color correct ones, and this one doesn't necessarily color correct as much as the other three. So I'm just gonna show you guys it like this, but still, you know, every single like color correcting palette, if you will, comes in like these four colors. Usually the orange one in here is a lot more red, but you know, it's fine. This particular item is something that I actually do not use. I should use it because I do have like dark circles, and clearly if you have some zits or whatever, you like to color correct them, but I just use a very thick foundation and it's gone. So yeah, I don't really use this, so I'm not gonna use it. I'm gonna give it away or do it in a giveaway, whatever you guys think is nice. Let me know down below. But this fella, like I said, it's from Beauty UK and it costs €5. Oh, so it's actually really budget friendly. Okay, moving on to something in a tube. This is a Lauren B Beauty Nail Couture Reparative Cuticle Oil. Oh, okay, so that's pretty cool to have. Let me just see how I can open this fella up. As y'all know, at least if you have been following me, then you know that I'm a certified nail artist, and yes, I went where I had to be to get my diploma. Okay, I actually have a diploma, so you know, I'm certified. I can't really open it right now. I'll open it up later. But basically anything that has to do with nails is okay in my book because, you know, like I said, I'm a certified nail artist. I put either gel nails on or acrylics. I prefer gel. And by the way, that's also the reason why my nails look horrible at the moment. Pretty much like there's a myth going on that like nail stylists and I don't know, basically hairdressers, you name it, that they have the best hair, the best nails, the best makeup, when in fact we have the worst. And why? Because we try everything on ourselves first, and then clearly we try it on others. We don't always have models, and not only that, but if you're not familiar with a product or chemical or whatever, you're not going to try it on somebody else because that person might sue you. You're going to try it out on yourself, and if you screw up on yourself, well, that's just too bad for you, isn't it? And that's exactly what I do. I'm also very harsh with my nails, so that's pretty much why they look horrible and broken, and you name it. It's all gonna get fixed, don't worry about it. But we're gonna move on to this cuticle oil. This is number 2 in the booklet. Yeah, it's from Lauren B Beauty and it costs, holy cow, this stuff costs €20. That's a hell of a lot of money for just a cuticle oil, I'm just gonna be honest. By the way, didn't we receive a cuticle oil like a couple of boxes ago? The blue one, I actually use that. I actually really do like it, but why do we get it again? Or was it in a different box? I'm not really sure, but I do remember we already received such an item. Moving on to this, and this is from Peas. I still don't know how to pronounce this. This is a liquid deep liner. I'm assuming this is an eyeliner. Does it have a name? No, it doesn't. Okay, so basically the box looks like that. Not that y'all care about the box, because nobody cares about the box. Let me just open it up and see what it actually is. I do think it's an eyeliner. Oh, yes, it's an eyeliner, all right. Okay, so this is what that fella looks like. And I just have to check what it looks like on the inside. Wait, maybe I don't have to open it. Oh. Maybe it says so in the booklet. Let us take a gander. There's two different ones that are like in the booklet right here. One with a thicker, I want to say pencil, but it's not really a pencil, is it? I can't even, wow. Okay, I can hardly open this. Is it thin? Please let it be thin, because I like the thinner ones. Crap, it is not, this sucks. Okay. So as you can see, like the little, what do you call this, like wand or whatever, is pretty thick, and it's like, hopefully you guys are able to see, I can't move it. I prefer like thin tips that are completely bendable, that are just like the hairs, like the really fine thin tips. That's what I usually use on my eyes and what I prefer. These thick ones, I don't know what it is, but I just cannot work with them. I used to love them, like back when I was 16, 17. That's when I couldn't use like a really thin one. But now I'm so used to these thin ones that I just cannot use a thick one. But I do know somebody who can, and that is my sister. So, Amina, if you're watching, this fella is going to be yours. Let's see. It costs 12 euros. Okay, there are two more items in the box, and the box is empty. Okay, so I'm going to put it over there. One thing is this big fella, and this is from Etrebel. So this is a lip twist lip pencil, okay, in a very, come on, does it twist? Oh, yeah, it does. In a very nude color, again, a brown tone color. Kind of sucks, I'm not going to lie. But it is very nudie patootie, and oh, okay, I take everything back what I just said. It's a very sheer color, and it's a nude color, and it is also not matte, which is something I hate matte for some reason. I don't know, I just don't like it. So this is what that little sucker looks like, and I'm afraid you guys aren't able to see anything because of these lights. But this is what the tip inside there looks like, and I'll try and show you guys. But this is that color. I'm not really sure, like I said, again, if it's going to pick up on the camera, but I really do like it. It's a very soft nude. It's so beautiful. So I take back what I said about the brown color. I actually do like it. Let's see, it says over here that you could get 3 different colors. What color did I get? I got number 17. They don't have a name. No, they don't have a name. But I have number 17. And they cost 15 euros and 95 cents. Okay, moving on to the last item in the box. And this is Uzul? What? Uzul. Oh, right, Uzul Airlines. We already received a nail polish like back in the day from them. This is ACD, a candy. I'm not really sure how to pronounce this. Colombia. It says over here Colombia, so I'm just gonna go with that. I think that they have nail polishes in like the names of like the countries they fly to or something. Was it that? I can't remember. But whoa, okay, this is a very dark brown tone color. Not my favorite. I'm just gonna be honest. What the hell is up with these brown tone colors? This is an August box. It's not fall yet, people. We do not want brown. But I got brown. It's like I'm jinxed. I always get brown. Let's see if you could get, whoa, okay, you could get a hell of a lot of colors. Hopefully you guys are able to see that, but there's a lot of color. I would have loved like the blue or like the gold glitter, even the pink. Ooh, this one right here. Oh, hopefully you guys are able to see it, but that's like a bright pink, like a coral orange pink. Wow, I would have loved that one. But I got the freaking brown one. It costs 12 euros, and guys, that is, yeah, that's that for this month's box. So let's see, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 items this month, and I do have to say it is a very nice variety, I guess I wanted to say that. Is that even a word? Yes, it is. That's the word I'm looking for. Of items that we received. I'm just going to be honest, this, I just don't use that. Wrong tip I'm going to give to my sister. Brown freaking color. I don't know. I have to check with my clients if they would like a color like this, but you know, the question didn't pop up. I'm going to use the cuticle oil, and I'm definitely going to use the lipstick. Even though out of like 5 items, I'm just going to use 2. It's not the best of numbers, but I do really like this box, especially because it's like such a different variety again of items. I don't know. I did enjoy it, however. Let me know down below in the comments, what did you guys think? I'd like to thank y'all so much for watching. Stay tuned because I still have to unbox the goodie box. It's right over there. And I still have to unbox the B-Lux box, which is going to come in today, I think. They told me they're going to send it today. So I think it's going to come in today. And what did I say? I'd like to thank y'all again so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!